We picked up a dresser that has a custom latch to it. It's a drop-down desk that has a special lock. In order to take the lock apart, I had to remove this cup-shaped stamped piece. And after I got the thing apart, I realized that the latch pin itself, the barrel of the key, rotates a cam that moves this latch. This latch had a broken piece along the bottom. So I had to machine up a new one. I'll show that in a later video, trying to machine a small part like that has angles on it. It's a little tricky, and I'll show a unique way of how I machine that up. But in addition to that, I had to make the new the deep drawn cup. The way I made that is I took a piece of brass, machined up a custom tube, inner and outer diameter, that is based on the perimeter of the barrel, which is a oval shape. And I 3D printed a forming tool. It's basically a loft that starts with the barrel shape, and it goes up to the diameter of the inside of the tube. So as I was forming the tube, I was able to press that in and form the tube to the oval shape. I also machined up a piece of brass flat stock to go inside of that brass tube, machined a hole in it, and basically silver soldered that in place. This is the completed lock assembly. Shows the brass cup inserted over the barrel, and it's staked in place along those side edges where you see the slot. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.